Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing and review and setup on my new FlickerPro 4K projector. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Awesome. Ooh, this is going to be nice. Here you go, user manual. What's cool is it does support Wi-Fi 6, new Bluetooth 5.0. So let's actually take a look at it. This is sweet. Heavy duty. Get the remote. Power cable, audio video cords, HDMI. All right, and the actual, man, this is very heavy duty. This is cool. I like that it has a stand like that. I'll show you back here. 2 HDMIs, 2 USBs, ooh, Ethernet on there. Very nice. Headphones. Very, very nice. So one thing about the projector, it does run on Android 12.0. So we should be able to get a lot of the applications naturally on here. A lot of times you have to plug in your own like Fire Stick or anything like that. So we should just be able to naturally do it on there. So that's enough of that. Let's go actually hook it up. We'll try out some movies. We'll try out some games, see how it works. All right, so we got it hooked up. Projector looks really nice. Here's that first intro that you get. And like I said, it does run that Android 12.0. And look at that picture quality on it right away. And I'm just going through the top part of the applications at the very top. And then I'll go ahead and we'll start off with going to YouTube. We'll check out a couple videos on here and then we'll head over to maybe like a movie. So I'm just going to pick the first one that I saw here. And look at that picture quality. And this is from a YouTube video. That looked really, really good. And then I transitioned over to like something a little more in the nature side. The picture quality on this video really blew me away. I've had a couple projectors, but this one picture quality just looked really good. And as you can see, you're able to just adjust it right there from the remote. And like I said, since it does run Android, you can access the Play Store. So then we're going to go ahead and try Netflix. So I did pick like an action movie, more of like a racing style movie. I'm going to go ahead and let you hear it just because, like I said, even the sound quality in the projector sounds really good. So I'll go ahead and play a little snippet of the movie. Okay, and then after that, I did hook up my Nintendo Switch to it. So you can see the picture quality on the Switch also looked really good. I'm going to let you hear a little bit of the sound on this one as well, just because I was so surprised that I didn't have to hook up a soundbar or speaker to it. This was all directly from the projector itself. All right, guys, so there you have it. I gotta be honest, this has to be one of the nicest projectors I've gotten. I've gotten a few already. The picture quality is great. It's really user-friendly. Like I said, a lot of the apps already just come pre-installed. So it just makes it easy to get your, like the common Netflix, YouTube. I was able to hook up my Nintendo Switch, within a couple seconds. One thing that I also wanted to mention, all these buttons right up here, they're all like touchscreen. So even if you don't have the remote, you could just control the projector from here. So it makes it very easy to either put it outside. Like, it's a very portable projector. So I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10.